Hey, what's up, everybody? Hey, look, I'm having people saying, hey, I need to get this TCP plan. Fill out the sheet below. I put this in the group in the zblackcard All-Star group. These are some of the pages that you can make when people want to get involved with the TCP program. Take a look at it. This is a beautiful page. Click here, the contact information. You can have people click that and it's going to take them to your corporate site. You can have them take them to this page right here. You can have them, when they hit that page, when they hit that button, they can go to the TCP sign up for $0 for 7-day trial. After the 7 days, it's $50 per month. $50 per month, $1.60 per day. Less than your lunch, less than your gas. I mean, this is an excellent program here. If you want to maximize your zblackcard, your ztegrity card online, then this is the program you need to get in. You need to start getting the information, getting the people to fill out their information with their email, the telephone number, and their first and last name. Look at this page right with the zblackcard in the background. Beautiful page, people. And here's another one right here. Fill out this sheet for information. Red bottoms, top. I mean, you can't get it no better than that. I'm telling you guys, this is a beautiful page. Beautiful. Why wouldn't somebody want to fill out their sheet to find out more information about what's behind this page? What's behind this page? I'm telling you guys. I mean, look, and this is the thing here. Look, let's go in this back office. See this right here. Welcome aboard. First step. I mean, very simple, man. People, you making this thing so difficult. I mean, you have the tools right here in front of you. Right in front of you. Step one. You got to get to know your back office. Watch this office tool. Watch the tool. Start going through the videos, people. Start going through the videos. Step two. Follow this video to set up your system. I mean, everything is self-explanatory. Follow the system. Step two. Step three, whitelist. Whitelist your email. Example on how to whitelist our email. Whitelist it so you can start getting information from TCP. Step three, watch this video before clicking the Fast Start training button below. How to use the TCP Fast Start program. Here's a video right here. Video right there in front of you. Step four, what is a sales funnel? I'm going to show you that in a few minutes. What is a sales funnel? You need this. You need it. Look at that video and it's going to teach you some things. How to build one for your company. For your company. For your company, it's going to teach you how to build one for ztegrity, zblackcard. You hear what I'm saying, folks? It's going to teach you that. You just got to look at the video. Take a look at the video, people. I mean, it's right here in front of you, guys. All of this information right here. I mean, all it is taking steps and taking action and taking some initiative to learn. Look, it got pages pre-built for you. Pages pre-built for you. You can't get it no better than this. No better than that. You can't get it no better than this, folks. I mean, we're working with this software. Let it pull up. Look at this. We have pages built for you. Just watch the video. How to build pages. How to access the pages. Here are the videos right here. Here are the pages right here built for you with the share codes. Here, that's the page. Built pages. Look, let's go to it. It's going to show you right here. Build pages for you. You don't even have to even build a page. All you got to do is just change it. That's all you got to do. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at all of these built pages for you. All of these built pages for you guys. Look, here it is. I'm going to go to one. Let's go to one since some people are saying that I don't believe it. I'm going to just go ahead and pull this one up right here. Let me highlight that. Let's highlight it. So you can take a look at what I'm trying to tell you guys. When you go onto your built pages. All you got to do is just go to your landing page, right? Click on that. You know, for you disbelievers here, click on that page, right? Let the page come up. Let the page build up. You clicking on that page, correct? You know, sometimes you got to wait because we're doing this software. Here we go. Let's wait till the page build up. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go right here. You're going to paste that. We're going to paste it in there. Let's preview the page. Page is already built for you. See? Mom's work from home. Great. You can change all of that. You don't even have to write this. You can use this. You can change the colors. You can change the letters. You can change the color. You can change first name, last name, email. You just want first name and email. You can get the numbers. You can change the contact button. Look at this, folks. Just take a good look at it. You can do that. You can do that. These pages are already built for you. You can change all of the background. If you don't like that background, then go to Google and put another picture background in there. It's all built in for you guys. It's all built in for you. Remember when we was talking about the sales funnel? Let's go to that page. This is the sales funnel right here. Look at this. This is the sales funnel that we built for zblackcard. Why you want to upgrade your debit card to a zblackcard? They're going to watch this video. We're going to take them where we want them to go. They're going to watch this video. Everyone around you will wonder if you are a celebrity. And then they're going to watch this webinar with Rick Titus. See, Rick Titus. Any question, point of contact, call Rick Titus, 301-485-9077. This video is converting so fast on the internet. That's the reason why I put this webinar video in here. I want them to focus on me. Focus on Rick Titus. Focus on Rick Titus. I want your eyeballs are on me. All eyes on me. All eyes on me. Rick Titus. And look down here. This is at the radio station right here. The webinar, my web link, my name, my telephone number is down here. You see what I'm saying, folks? This is what you want them to do. And it's going to tell them who you are, what you do, and how we get paid. And then look, here you go at the end. You're getting your point of contact right here. Right, here's another video giving them all of the information that they need to know. All of the information that they need. And then what you want to do is tell them to drive your dream car, auto rewards car. Click. Either one of those buttons is going to take them to your corporate site. That's your sales funnel right there. That's how I'm getting all of these leads. And all of these, converting these leads into sales. It's going to take them right here to your corporate page. You see what I'm saying? Then they're going to tell you, how do I sign up? You'll be amazed how many people now call me and say, I'm on your landing page. I'm on your capture page. How do I sign up? Click the button that below. And it's going to take them to that corporate site. Order your card, your metal card now. Order your metal card right now. I mean, folks, you can't get it no better than this. Can't get it no better than this. You got to use your marketing strategy to the point where you can get your emails looking like this. Looking like this, folks. No excuses. No excuses. $5 auto reward car bonuses, gas bonuses, VIP reward, gas bonuses depositing on Titus account. Reward VIP reward car bonus, lifestyle bonuses. This is what you want. This is what you want. This is how you want your email to look like. This is what you want it to look like every morning. Every morning. Then you go in your back office. Come on, folks. Get this TCP plan. Go in your back office and start seeing your ztegrity rewards. Start seeing your ztegrity rewards in your back office. Look at this. Ztegrity reward. Gas bonuses, $320. Car bonus, $74. Lifestyle bonus, $43. You know, add all that. That's what your commission is. And all you want these people to do is go right here. $0 for 7-day trial. You're going to get total access to everything, folks. After your 7 days, you're going to pay $50 a month. $50 a month. $1.60 per day. $1.60 less than your gas that you're spending, less than your lunch at work. We start filling out these pages here. Look how beautiful that page looks. Why wouldn't somebody want to fill that out and give me some information? Huh? Look at this page. Look how beautiful that page looks. Say what? Why wouldn't they want to do that, folks? Look at this page. Why wouldn't they want to do this? You tell me. You know, get this TCP plan and start building your business. Look at this sheet. Fill out this sheet below. You can do the same thing to start getting these leads and start converting these leads into sales and start playing around with this business. Start focusing on you. Forget about what other people are saying out here. Get this TCP plan. Try it for 7 days and start building your zblackcard business. Get it up and running and start building your sales funnel like this and have it looking like this. Your sales funnel. Build your sales funnel just like this right here. This is what you want. This is what you want to do. This is how you attract people. This is how you do your marketing professionally. And have people to go to your webinars. Contact me. That's the reason why I put my number there so they can call me. I'm on your webinar right now. I'm on your landing page right now. I'm on your sales funnel right now, Rick Titus. Focus on Rick Titus. Focus on this business here. We're going to tell you who we are, what we do, and how we get paid. And let's start tackling this thing and building your zblackcard and your ztegrity business the right way. Get this TCP plan now. Do it now. Do it now. Get this TCP plan, zero money for 7-day trial. After the 7 days, $50 a month, and start building your business like Rick Titus. This is Rick Titus. I'm out.